Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to set no tolls on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to set no tolls on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Map application, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, there's your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and when this interface appears, guys, tap on the settings option over here, which is just below your data in maps, and you will land on this interface. Scroll down from over here and you can see, guys, where it says navigation settings. Tap on the navigation settings and scroll down from over here as well, and you can see, guys, under the route option there it says the avoid tolls. Now in order to set no tolls on the Google Map, simply make sure the avoid tolls button is enabled on your Google Maps on your phone, and with that being done, guys, the Google Maps won't show you any road with tolls. And there is how to set no tolls on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.